I have a workbench almost like Dave Brady's, Bradley, Booby, whatever his name is. Hello there, chickens. You want to blow some bubbles?
That's rancid. I love you. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Where's chicken at? You're not chicken. Say love you. What? You say love you? Oh, is that you? You guys are talking chickens, but you don't think you're my chicken. Yeah, nah, you're not chicken. You're chicken. Hello. Come here. Hello. You scared? You don't need to be scared. Everything's okay. Look what he does. See? See what he does? You don't need to be scared. Come here. There you go. I've seen you here before. Hello. You're not Screech. You're another one of the regulars as well. Come here. Okay, how about this? I give you a pile of seed. Here you guys go. Here you go, Pidgey. And it is a beautiful day out. We're just about 10 days away from summer beginning, so we are approaching the very end of our winter. You're beautiful. Yes, you are. Okay, now I need to let out my own birds. I'll catch you guys later. Bye-bye.